Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 27 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/2/3. Question number 27 says prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Let us assume that root 5 is a rational number. In that case, root 5 can be written in a by b form where a and b are integers and a and b are co-prime. In other words, HCF of a comma b is equal to 1. So this is our initial assumption. On squaring both the sides, we get 5 is equal to a square upon b square, which means 5b square is equal to a square. Let's call this as equation 1. From this, it is very clear that a square is divisible by 5, which means a is divisible by 5. When we say a is divisible by 5, this a should be a multiple of 5. Squaring a square is equal to 25k square. Let us substitute this equation 2 in 1. So 5b square is equal to 25k square, which means b square is equal to 5k square. From this statement, it is very clear that b square is divisible by 5, which implies that b is also divisible by 5. Let me write the conclusion. A is divisible by 5, b is also divisible by 5, which means apart from 1, there is another number 5 which is common in both a and b. So now this fact is contradicting our assumption. This implies that our assumption is wrong. That is, the assumption that root 5 is a rational number is wrong. Therefore, root 5 is irrational. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.